5 Beverages covertly expanding irritation in your body. A ton has been said lately regarding irritation. Anybody hoping to stay away from torment and long-haul medical problems has been cautioned about the ramifications of this ailment, as expanded irritation levels can prompt malignant growth, coronary illness, and other medical issues whenever overlooked. While irritation can cause heap issues, instructing yourself about ways of forestalling it can have a major effect. What's more, one spot to begin is by realizing which beverages can aggravate irritation. As indicated by the Cleveland Center, certain food varieties like safeguarded meats, broiled food, sweet treats, and other refined carbs can set off more regrettable markers of constant irritation. In spite of the fact that food sources for the most part get negative criticism with regards to igniting aggravation, it is actually the case that beverages can likewise prompt this condition. For example, since counts calories higher in added sugar have been connected to more prominent degrees of irritation, drinking sweet refreshments like soft drinks, organic product beverages, and sugar-improved espressos a steady premise might violently affect your body. On the off chance that you want to decrease aggravation in your body, try to restrict the accompanying refreshments or consume them just now and again. Then, at that point, look at the most exceedingly terrible breakfast propensities for aggravation. 1. Sweet lattes. While research proposes that espresso itself could helpfully affect irritation because of its plant compounds and polyphenol content, what you put in your espresso could offset the upside, says Amy Goodson, MS, Rhode, CSSD, LD, writer of the game's Nourishment Playbook and an individual from our clinical masterboard. Numerous espresso and false espresso drinks are stacked with sugar from syrups, sauces, whips, and sprinkles. In the event that you are slurping down an enormous one of these consistently, you may be taking in surprisingly sugar. Does a tomfoolery seasoned latte once 7 days hurt you? No, however predictable admission of added sugar in drinks can. A 2018 survey distributed in supplements presumed that there was a connection between counts calories high in refined sugar and irritation, particularly assuming the sugar came from improved drinks. All the more explicitly, the people who consumed higher measures of added sugar were found to have more prominent degrees of fiery markers in their blood. Thus, rather than going after a super sweet espresso drink, Goodson proposes attempting to be happy with less pleasantness and perhaps getting one siphon of flavor, skirting the whip and shower, and simply utilizing milk froth. You'll save money on added sugar, calories, and possible dollars as well. She adds, if you truly have any desire to battle aggravation with caffeine, look at the best espresso propensities for irritation and make your morning latte help you out. 2. Enhanced oat milk. You might expect that choosing a non-dairy milk is consequently a better decision for you, however this isn't generally the situation. Truth be told, certain individuals may not understand that these beverages can exacerbate irritation. With regards to non-dairy milk, not all brands and assortments are made equivalent, says Trista Best, Rhode at Equilibrium 1 Enhancements. At the point when oat milk is made with flavorings and added sugar, it becomes incendiary. Indeed, even flavorless choices can contain around 7 grams of sugar for every serving. For those that have a gluten sensitivity or bigotry, this can exacerbate their incendiary response. While oats are normally sans gluten, some are handled in offices that produce gluten-containing fixings, making cross-defilement conceivable. If you have any desire to get the best oat milk for your buck, ensure you look out for something good and most awful oat milk brands to purchase. 3. Sweet tea. On the off chance that you're from the South, you're most likely acquainted with a delectably reviving glass of sweet tea. Sadly, the name says everything, and that implies these beverages are pressed loaded with sugar. Sugar-improved drinks like sweet tea ought to be restricted however much as could reasonably be expected, says Goodson. After some time, inordinate admission of added sugars can add to persistent aggravation, and many sugar-improved refreshments have close to no healthy benefit, meaning they simply furnish you with sugar and calories. As per a review distributed in Nourishment Exploration, individuals who brought down their utilization of sweet beverages saw lower levels of fiery markers in their blood. So on the off chance that you're observing your irritation, have a go at trading these beverages out for water, gently enhanced waters, or even water seasoned with new natural product as a decent low to no sugar hydration source. All things being equal, snatch one of these 7 best teas to help your insusceptible situation at the present time. 4. Locally acquired smoothies. While smoothies can be an extraordinary choice for dinner substitution or post-exercise recuperation, large numbers of the ones you purchase at smoothie shops really have added sugar in a word you may not perceive, called turbinado, Goodson says. The expansion of turbinado, in addition to natural product juices, can expand the sugar content of a smoothie genuine quick. This additional sugar, when polished off after some time, might possibly add to irritation, particularly in the event that you drink other sugar-improved refreshments, also. Yet, not all smoothies are the equivalent with regards to dietary benefit. Some are brimming with solid fixings and do exclude added sugar. These are the ones you'll need to search for. On the off chance that you have the opportunity and assets, you can likewise take a stab at making a smoothie at home. You can make a smoothie at home with new organic product, milk, and yogurt. However, in the event that you will get one at the store, look at the fixing rundown and sustenance realities name, says Goodson. Cutting the additional sugar could mean getting a thin, lean, or light smoothie, contingent upon how the store marks it. Then, at that point, obviously, ensure your smoothie has a decent starch to protein proportion so it doesn't spike your glucose. 5. Pop. In the event that the sugar in your smoothie doesn't start irritation, the sugar in a soft drink could very well. Sweet soft drink increments irritation, says Lisa Youthful, Ph.D., RDN, creator of At Last Full, At Last Thin and an individual from our clinical masterboard. Ongoing irritation can foster over the long haul from consistently drinking refreshments with loads of added sugar, and soft drink is a main supporter of added sugar in the eating regimen. Polishing off an eating routine high in added sugar can increment irritation that can prompt sickness, so I propose drinking water or shining water, all things considered, Youthful adds. It's alright to add mint and lemon, or even a sprinkle of juice for some extra zing. Try not to feel like you need to surrender soft drink pure and simple. Assuming that shining water sounds not exactly engaging, you can find other sweet beverages that contain less sugar, or you can have a go at restricting your soft drink utilization to only sometimes. Like that, you're actually partaking in a beverage you love, yet you won't be taking in as much included sugar, a reliable premise. Please don't forget to like, share, drop your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.